guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you how this simple tool can change your life. Well, it's not really gonna change your life. I mean, you're still gonna work every day and you're still gonna wake up early, pay all the bills. This is more like a beauty hack, so we always see this thing on the other end of our eyebrow pencil. But do you know that you can use this in so many ways besides fixing your brows? So I'm going to share with you 5 ways on how to use your spoolie. Before we get into it, don't forget to follow me on my social media account, Instagram Got Tinted, Facebook page Got Tinted, and I will really appreciate if you subscribe to my channel and click that bell button. First, you can use this to lighten your brows. So in case you got carried away in, filling up your brows, not to worry and get your spoolie. Brush your brows with the spoolie, and in this way, it will remove the excess product and it will give you that more natural looking brows. Or you can also use this to achieve that gradient effect. So what I do is I just brush here in the inner corner or the inner part, and then giving you that gradient, softer look into the inner part, going dark and more like intense on the outer part of your brows. Number 2, besides the fact that you can use this to brush your lashes when you applied too much mascara, so it will prevent from getting clumpy. You can also use this to remove mascara smudge. So let's say, for example, that when you are applying your mascara and it's still wet, and then you blink and it's smudged under your eye, or when you are applying mascara on your lower lashes and you accidentally applied under your eye, which is normally happen to me and to us, especially when you are using a big mascara wand. Don't worry, we can fix that. So what you're gonna do is, first, don't touch it right away because there is a tendency that the mascara is still wet. So let it dry for a few minutes. Do whatever you need to do first. Fill your brows, maybe put some blush on or put some highlighter. Leave it for a few minutes, and then, so once it's dry, get your spoolie and make sure that you use the softer part, which is this part right here. Okay, and then brush it off gently. See, it's all gone. That's one way to fix your mascara smudge. Some people use cotton buds to remove mascara smudge, but I personally like using this because there is a lesser chance to ruin your makeup. Let's try to do it once again on this side. So you see I have in there, and then spoolie, brush it off gently. There, without ruining your eye makeup. Number 3, it can make your false lashes to mink lashes. This is the lashes that I bought from $2 shop, and it has 5 pairs. It looks so plasticky and fakey and looks very unnatural. I'm gonna show you a clip how I make these false lashes into mink lashes. So what you're gonna do is get your spoolie and brush the lashes back and forth, and then you will notice that it gets a little bit shorter but more fluffier, and it is not as fake looking as the other one, which is the one on the top or the one beside it. But this only works in certain lashes like this one, because I tried to do it in some of my lashes, which is like the more natural looking one or the wispy one. It will not work. Now you know what to do. Then go ahead and get your $3 fake lashes and turn it into glamorous $14 wispy mink lashes. Number 4, spoolie help to remove lash glue. So in case you are like me who own a black eyelash glue, which I will not recommend you to buy. I didn't even know why I bought this. Every time that I apply my false lashes, I don't know, for some reason it touches the other part of my eyelid and then it will leave a glue mark, which is now like that. So if you feel me and this happened to you as well, leave it for a few, I would say like seconds, because lash glue is easier to get dry. And then get your spoolie and just brush the one on the top. If there are parts that you feel like need retouching, then just retouch it. At least it didn't ruin most of your eye makeup. Number 5. You know how sometimes your hair is not cooperating with you, or you're having a bad hair day, or you want to achieve that Ariana Grande high ponytail hairstyle, but your baby bangs are on the way. So for the demonstration purpose, I'm just gonna put my hair up. We are trying to get rid of our baby bangs right there, that one, and maybe like this part right here. Okay, what we want to do is just take this out of the way and put it in place. So get your spoolie and your hairspray. I spray the hairspray, and then I brush it off. See how it's giving that very neat look without looking too made up, like fully made up. And do you see how those hair strands are like up way? You can also brush that through, and even in the middle part of your hair. Okay. There you go, problem solved. No more hair strands, no more baby bangs. That's it for today's video, guys. And if you learned something from me today, and if you find this video helpful, please do give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions, and don't forget to follow me on my social media account, Instagram Got Tinted, Facebook page Got Tinted. All the links are down below in the description box. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you on the next one. Bye!